As an innovative manufacturer, Uponor understands that success is more than just a quality product. It's about ensuring quality installations and long-term reliability for your projects. That's why Uponor partnered with Milwaukee Tool since 2009, engineering and developing battery-powered expansion tools that are specifically designed to the Uponor ProPEX fitting profile. Combining the dependable and superior performance of Uponor PEX pipe, rings, and ProPEX fittings, along with Milwaukee tools, creates a reliable connection system that is unmatched in the industry. The newest Milwaukee M12 and M18 fuel ProPEX expansion tools help improve customer productivity and profitability by creating efficiencies that speed the installation process and help reduce the risk of fitting leaks and callbacks. With continuous testing and performance improvements, you can have the confidence that your installations are backed by two innovative companies committed to and passionate about making strong connections you can trust.